Hey there and welcome to our video on how to create and monetize a profitable blog. Blogging is a great way to share your ideas, interests, and expertise with the world, and with the right approach, it can also be a profitable venture. In this video, we'll be discussing the steps you need to take to create a successful blog and how to monetize it to generate income. Step 1. Find your niche. The first step in creating a successful blog is finding your niche. A niche is a specific area of interest that your blog will focus on. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, as this will make it easier for you to create content and connect with your audience. Some popular niches include personal development, travel, parenting, and cooking, but the possibilities are endless. When choosing your niche, think about what you're truly interested in and knowledgeable about. It's also important to look for gaps in the market, where there is a need for content that isn't currently being met. This will give you a chance to stand out from the competition. And also, you want to make sure that there are enough people interested in your niche and that they are actively searching for the kind of content you plan to create. Step 2. Set up your blog. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up your blog. You can choose a platform like WordPress, Blogger, or Squarespace to host your blog. These platforms make it easy to create a professional-looking blog without any coding or design experience. When setting up your blog, make sure to choose a unique and memorable domain name. This will be the address people use to access your blog, and it should be easy to remember and reflective of your niche. It's also important to choose a hosting service that can handle the traffic you expect to receive on your blog. And don't forget to make sure your blog has a clean design and easy navigation. It will make it more comfortable for visitors. Step 3. Create content. After you have your blog set up, it's time to start creating content. Blogs are all about providing value to your readers, so it's important to create high-quality, informative, and engaging content that is relevant to your niche. To create content that resonates with your audience, make sure to research what topics they're interested in. Utilize tools like Google Keyword Planner and Google Trends to identify keywords and trending topics. Also, it's important to create a content calendar to keep your publishing schedule organized and consistent. It will not only help you stay on track but also help in your visitors planning on when to expect your next post. Step 4. Build your audience. As you start creating content, it's important to also focus on building your audience. You can do this by promoting your blog on social media, guest posting on other blogs, and reaching out to other bloggers in your niche. You can also use SEO techniques to optimize your blog for search engines, so that it is more easily discoverable. When promoting your blog on social media, make sure to be consistent and engage with your followers. Building a community around your blog takes time, but it will pay off in the long run. Also, make sure your blog is easy to share. Include social media sharing buttons and encourage your readers to share your content. Step 5. Monetize your blog. Now that you have a steady stream of visitors to your blog, it's time to start monetizing it. There are a few ways to monetize your blog, such as advertisements. You can display ads on your blog and earn money for every click or impression. You can use AdSense or other advertising networks, but it is important to make sure that the ad placement do not compromise the user experience. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for each sale. When using affiliate marketing, you should ensure that the products or services are relevant and add value to your audience. Selling your own products or services. You can use your blog as a platform to sell your own products or services, such as ebooks, online courses, or consulting services. Sponsored post. You can write a post in which you promote or review a product or service and charge the company to publish it. Conclusion. Creating and monetizing a profitable blog takes time and effort, but it is a great way to share your expertise and interests with the world while also earning income. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be on your way to creating a successful and profitable blog. Thanks for watching, And as always, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below.